Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. Hope you revised the video on heavier and lighter from class 1. In this session we are going to explore further on this topic. Let's listen in to the story, Clever Donkey and His Heavy Sack from textbook. Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on its back. On the way to the market they have to cross a river. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, sacks felt very light. Let's pause a bit. Can you guess why the sack felt lighter?
Oh Mr. Wiz, the salt when put into water dissolves itself. So when donkey fell into the river, some of the salt dissolved into water and flowed into river. So sacks were lighter.
Yes, that's right. Remember, items like salt and sugar dissolves when put into water. We dissolve sugar into coffee, tea, and milk that we drink. Similarly, we use salt in many of the savory dishes we prepare. Getting back to story. Donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Next day Sandesh put sacks of woolen cloth in place of salt. Now what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river? Why?
Aha, clothes don't dissolve into water. In fact, they absorb water and become heavier. So donkey would have felt the sack become much heavier.
I am sure the poor donkey will not try the trick again.
Yes, that's right. When you soak a cloth in water, it becomes heavy. Let's listen in to another story from the textbook. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju went to the park and saw a seesaw. But he needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Else he will be sitting all alone, at the bottom. Rani comes to help Raju. But still Raju cannot ride it. See what happened, can you tell why?
I guess, Raju is heavier than Rani. That's why seesaw did not take Raju up.
That's right. Only when someone heavier than or equal to Raju sits on the other side, seesaw will take Raju up. Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Can you tell what happened?
Oh, no. Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together and he has gone up. Unless we have both the sides almost equal weight, it is not possible to play seesaw.
That's right. Finally Raju got an idea. He took his heavy school bag and placed it along with him. They all started enjoying the ride. Can you tell why?
Mr. Wiz, the weight of Raju and his heavy school bag is equal to the weight of Rani and Aslam put together. So they all started enjoying the ride.
Fantastic. Seesaw is like a balance. Heavy object goes down on a balance, bringing the lighter object up. Both the objects have to be of the same weight to balance. Here is an exercise on the seesaw. Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Draw a line to match the heavier one.
I see green watermelon and smallest sweet melon. Given the size of watermelon, it is definitely heavier. So I draw a line from watermelon to downward side of seesaw.
Well done. Here is the next one.
I see a big pot of water and a small can of water. Among the two, pot is heavier. So I draw a line from pot to downward side of seesaw.
Excellent. Here is another one.
I see 2 cups of water on one side and a mug of water. Among the two, I still think mug will be heavier. So I draw a line from the mug to downward side of seesaw.
Fantastic. Here is the last one.
Oh, this one is easy. We are trying to compare a mug of water with a large bucket of water. Definitely bucket is heavier, so I draw a line from the bucket to downward side of seesaw.
Well done. Following is the last exercise for this session. Color the one which is lighter.
In the first example, between tennis ball and football, tennis ball is lighter. So I am coloring it.
In the second example, between school bag and geometry box is lighter as it goes into school bag. So I am coloring it.
Excellent. In this session we learned to compare two objects and identify which one is lighter and which one is heavier.